welcome to LoveLiveSave. If you're like me and you are working to deep clean your house and you need to replenish some of your cleaning supplies, but of course you don't want to pay full price for them, check out today's deal video where I've put together these awesome cleaning supplies Dollar General couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, August 19th. But before I get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post a lot of deal videos from week to week, and I do my live couponing after dark chats. And subscribing is completely free to do. We'd love to have you here. A super awesome way to support my work here on my YouTube channel here at LoveLiveSave is to hit that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel and it is greatly appreciated. For tonight's question, I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite go-to cleaning product that Dollar General sells and you always try to coupon it when you can. Hands down for me is, I know it's simple, it's cleaning white vinegar. I absolutely love this stuff. I use it all the time and I'm currently working to add more of it into my stockpile. And as always, make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members that are wanting to learn how to coupon or want to save money for their family so I can get these deals out to them and help them too. So I am currently in deep cleaning, serious cleaning mode in my household. My son's getting ready to go back to school and I don't want to spend the time that he's at school cleaning my house. I just don't want to do it this year. And one of the things I was doing yesterday was deep cleaning his tennis shoes, cleaning like the white rubbery part of his shoes. And someone recommended I try the Kaboom foam cleaner and it made a huge difference. So I want to stock up on it. So for this first deal, that's what we're going to do. Grab 1 can of the Kaboom foam cleaner, 1 22-count box of the Glad trash bags, 2 Mr. Clean Clean Freak cleaners, sorry, and 1 can of the Febreze Air Effects. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.20 plus tax. That makes for a 46% off savings. Now, if you're a fan of Tide Pods, like I've said in previous deal videos, this is such an amazing time to stock up on them for super cheap. We've had these amazing coupons for them weeks in a row, so take advantage of these deals while you can. Don't pay full price for them. So for this next deal, grab 1 of the large bags of Tide Pods, a small bag of Tide Pods, 1 of the Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, and 1 tub of the Lysol disinfecting wipes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.45 plus tax. That's a 52% off savings. When I first started doing my YouTube deal videos, especially the cleaning products ones, I used to work in dishwasher supplies all the time because it's a necessary thing in my household and I hate paying full price for it. I really do. But we haven't had a lot of coupons for them over the last couple months. This week, however, we got some great ones. So in this deal, grab 2 bottles of the Finish Jet Dry Cleaners, which I'm completely out of, by the way. Grab 1 bag of the Cascade Platinum Plush dishwasher tablets. It's a 7-count size for $5.15. 2 tubs of the Clorox disinfecting wipes, and 1 bottle of my favorite go-to back-to-school Lysol laundry sanitizer. I definitely got stock up on this stuff. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $15.40 plus tax for a 48% off savings. If you want to stock up on a lot of disinfecting wipes all at the same time, maybe you have kiddos going back to school and you want to stock up on them for their teachers, this is a great deal for you to do it. Grab 2 tubs of the Clorox disinfecting wipes, 2 tubs of the Lysol disinfecting wipes, 1 bottle of that Lysol laundry sanitizer, and 1 small bag of Tide Pods. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.75 plus tax. That makes for a 46% off savings. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know I absolutely love working in items into my couponing deals that we do not have coupons for. Because like I always tell you, just because we don't have a coupon for something does not mean we still can't score a great deal on it. We just have to work it into a deal with items with higher value coupons for them to lower our out-of-pocket. So we don't have a coupon for these Arm & Hammer carpet odor eliminators, and I love this stuff, by the way. I am completely out of them as well. So for this deal, we're going to grab 2 boxes of those Arm & Hammer carpet odor eliminators, a 2-count pack of the Febreze Small Spaces, 1 bottle of the Mr. Clean Freak spray, a small bag of Tide Pods, and 1 pack of the Bic Soleil razors. One of my favorite filler coupons this week because it's such a high value coupon and it lowers our out-of-pocket. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12 even plus tax, a 55% off savings. Next up, we have a great laundry deal for you. Grab one of those larger bags of Tide Pods, one of the $6.95 bottles of Downy Rinse and Refresh, a single count pack of the cans of Febreze Air Effects, and one of the smaller bottles of Gain laundry detergent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.65 plus tax. That makes for a 55% off savings. Here's a really great deal to stock up on my favorite Mr. Clean products. I love using these for cleaning my son's outdoor play stuff. It just makes such quick work out of it, and it smells amazing. So for this deal, grab 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean cleaners, the multi-surface cleaners, 2 tubs of the Clorox disinfecting wipes, 1 bottle of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak Spray, and 1 bottle of the Downy Rinse and Refresh for $6.95. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.95 plus tax. That is a 48% off savings. Now, if you're getting low on your laundry stockpile, this is a fabulous deal for you to do. This stocks up on a lot of laundry detergent and laundry pods all in one trip. So grab one of the big bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, a small bag of Tide Pods, a large bag of Tide Pods, and 1 pack of the Bic Soleil razors. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.45 plus tax for a 56% off savings. Now just think how many loads of laundry that is going to clean for such a low out of pocket. If you're getting a little low in your stockpile with things like your air fresheners, this will be a great deal for you to do. I can almost smell this deal through my computer monitor. Ooh, you know I love the original Gain scent. So grab one of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, 3 of the Febreze Small Spaces, and 1 of the single count packs of Febreze Car Clips, the premium scent. You gotta make sure you get the premium scent because this coupon is not applying to the regular scents. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.45 plus tax. That is a 54% off savings. I am pretty sure you're going to know that this is my favorite deal this week because it stocks up on a lot of my Mr. Clean cleaners. Oh, my stockpile is going to be so happy. So grab 3 bottles of that Mr. Clean cleaner and 3 bottles of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.50 plus tax. That's a 46% off savings. Now, this is a little bit higher of an out of pocket than we usually do, but just think how many bottles that is, and this is going to clean a lot of stuff around your house. Now, if you're looking for even more couponing deals to choose from, check out the comments down below for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, my Patreon page is where I post my complete couponing deals list from week to week. And this week's deals list, no joke, has 130 couponing deals. These are deals for all the major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. Things like personal care products, cleaning supplies, trash bags are even on this list. Paper towels, toilet papers, Gain, and even diapers are on this list, including a super cheap deals list. And it is a easy to download PDF file. You can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want. And it makes going to the store super easy. I've done all the work for you. You just got to find the items and clip the coupons. So if you're interested, make sure you check out the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helps you save a lot of money this week for your family. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love for you to take a moment and show my channel some love and hit that subscribe button. It makes a huge difference for my channel, and I would love to have you here. While you're at it, click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Super important. That way, whenever I post deal videos, you'll receive a notification. You'll be one of the first people to know when I post or when I do one of my live couponing chats, and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.